Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I thank you for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be showing how I make plant tags. And I ask, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button if you can. I really do appreciate that. And it will, if you do hit the bell notification also, it will give you the latest updates in my latest videos. So yeah, let's get into the video now. So this right here is a 1/8 inch 36 piece stamp set. That's what I'll be using today. You can get these I think pretty much at a lot of hardware stores and tool stores. I'll set that to the side for now. Now this right here, it's just a thin piece of aluminum. I bought a roll of it. This is just a piece off of it. I'll put a picture in of type that it is. That way you can look it up and find something similar. I got a roller. I suppose you could do it with a tape measure or something like that. But I got gloves on to protect my hands. Because this metal is really sharp. It'll slice right through a hand or skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out, so I'm going to use a, I think they call it an awl, a scribing awl. I'm going to mark out 2 inch wide by 4 inch length rectangle. So let me do that right now. Okay, so now that I got my 2 by 4 inch rectangle marked out, now I'm going to use a pair of aviation tin snips and just cut on the lines carefully. Okay, so now I got this rectangle here, and what I'm going to do is I got a small like drill press vise here. Suppose you could use any type of vise, but what I'm going to do is just clamp maybe like 1/8 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch of material in the vise on each side. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just gonna grab 2 sides and fold it over. And I'll loosen the clamp vise. Now I got like a 90-degree edge. So I'll just, this stuff's thin enough, I'll push it down. And then once I got it pushed down, I'll put it back in the vise. I'll tighten it down. And that gives us a nice edge. And now this part, it's kind of important so that way you don't get like a crooked tag. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in the vise. You're just gonna lightly clamp it down, not very much. And then you're gonna use your roller and make sure that the size is even on both sides. So it looks like I got an inch on both sides. So that's good. So once I know that both of the sides are even, I'll tighten down the vise and fold it in the same direction that I folded that first fold. Now we're back with a 90-degree bend. Just gonna push that over again. And then I'm going to put it back in the vise. Tighten it down. And there we go. Now these two ends, you're going to do exactly the same as you did these first two. The only difference is I'm going to take a 90-degree square and I'm going to square it up on this vise. Now I'm going to fold it. Fold it over, clamp it. And now you got a rectangle with smooth edges. I mean, right here there's a sharp edge. What you can use is I'm gonna use a small hammer and just smooth out the edges like that. So I hit them a little bit and it smooths them out. You may have to do it a few times. Here, now it's smooth. So now what I'm going to do is, this is like a solid anvil. So I'm just going to put the tag there. And then I'm going to take my stamp set. And say I have like a rose. I want to, for demonstration purposes, I'll just spell out rose. So I'll take the R, put it up front here, and then I'll take the O, second, and then the S, third, and the E I'm going to put fourth. There we go. And I want to make sure that the stamps are facing in the correct direction. I don't know if you can see that, but the R is facing right direction now. This way would be upside down. You don't want some of yours upside down, because then you ain't gonna be able to read it very good. Just gonna take my stamp. You can use your awl, your metal scribing awl, with your ruler and scribe a straight line to put these on. And I'm just gonna freehand it. So you only want to do like maybe two taps with a lighter hammer. I'm using a 2-pound hammer. And I'll get these done and show you the results. And that says rose, but I mean, if I were to have scribed a line on here, could have got them straighter. Kind of looks funny, but it works. And now to hang it, got a piece of 18 gauge aluminum wire. I chose aluminum because it's not going to corrode as fast as steel, hopefully. So this is about, let me check. You don't have to be exact. This is about 7 inches long, this wire. So I'll show you how I'm gonna mount this on there. So I'm just gonna put a crack in the vise, and then at the top of the tag here, I'm gonna take something sharp. In this case, I have this awl. I'm just gonna poke a hole. Use a nail with a hammer or something like that. So now that I got this hole poked, I'm just gonna hit down the sharp edges. And now I can put my wire through it. I have to poke it in. Now I can put my wire through it. I'm going to put it like an inch through, and you turn it up, and you just basically twisty tie it. There you go, now you got a tag. So thank you everyone for watching this video, if you made it to the end. Hope I wasn't too slow. Thank you for joining me in this adventure, and keep a lookout because I'm going to be making more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.